Hello everyone, Chef Patrick here from the Paradise Lagardère Dine Division. So we all have some hobbies. One of mine is gardening. So as you can see, we've got a bumper crop of basil here. So we're gonna harvest some of this and make some pesto once we get inside to the kitchen. All right, so it's time to make the pesto. So we've destemmed the basil leaves from the stems. We've got a lot in here. This is kind of packed down really well. We've got extra virgin olive oil, we've got garlic, we've got toasted pine nuts. It's important to toast them because that starts bringing the oil out and also gives a little more nutty flavor. We've got our Parmesan Reggiano and our black pepper. Okay, so I have about half of the basil into the food processor. I'm gonna pulse it to get it going. So because there's not a lot of moisture in there, I shut the food processor off and I'm pushing the basil down now with my spatula. Remove the spatula, gonna pulse it again. And I'm going to continue to do this until I start making a paste. It's starting to look a little bit like pesto. So now we're going to go with some of the other ingredients. We're going to add the garlic, the pine nuts, some pepper, the rest of the basil, and some extra virgin olive oil to get it rolling. So here goes the garlic. Here's the toasted pine nuts. We're going to add some pepper. And we're going to add some oil now. Now it's time to start adding more basil. Okay, so as you can see, everything's pureed. I added a touch of salt, and now it's time to add the Parmesan Reggiano. And as you know, the microplane is one of my favorite tools, so I'm just gonna make it rain. So it's probably about a half a cup right there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the lid back on the food processor. Just give it a couple quick pulses to incorporate the cheese into the pesto. It's looking a little bit dry, so I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil to it. And there we have it. Pesto from the garden. Thanks so much. Looking forward to hosting you in one of our restaurants across the country and one of our airports. Safe travels. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.